Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. SDXL has been out for more than 3 weeks and it has been generating amazing images. Today, let's explore how we can replicate multiple styles using SDXL checkpoint. So I'll be using the base as the checkpoint. We are also using the SDXL VAE. We will be using the 2M SDXL sampling method and we'll be using 40 steps, and seed I'm just setting it to random, and we are also using the refiner with 20% of the sampling steps, so there will be 8 steps for refining and 32 steps for actually generating the image. By default, SDXL generates random images since we are not providing any prompt for the model to build on top of. So if I just click generate, it is going to randomly pick a style, pick a topic, and it will generate these images. It's beautiful. So let's try a different prompt about a astronaut floating in space. This looks realistic, and you can see the shadows, the source of light is here, so this is very realistic. Let's try to generate one more image of a Tokyo street and see how SDXL will generate that image. This is really beautiful. We have the people walking, we have the night lights, we have the boats with writings all over them that looks like they are real boats. So this is really good. Next, this looks like a classroom from a Studio Ghibli production, right? It looks really good. It has chairs, windows. It's really nice. Let's see. Let's see a different one. As you can see, SDXL can generate beautiful anime images. Since we are also using the refiner, the images are really good. Now let's try to replicate a concept art of a dragon flying over a city. Let's see how it does. So this is more like a concept art style. That looks good. It's still generating, but I can tell this is going to be really good. You can see the city, there is a dragon, like multiple dragons flying over, so that's really nice. Let's see, let's generate a concept art of oaks in front of a gate. Very nice concept art. But there are no oaks here, it is just on top of it. Let's try generating the image again and see if it puts oaks in front of the grid. Yeah, so yeah, definitely we might have to tweak it a little bit, generate it multiple times to see a style that we really like, but so far so good. let's generate some fantasy art and see how SDXL can deal with that. Again, really good. It looks majestic. Casting spells. So I would say it's a really good image. Let's try to generate one more in fantasy art and see how it generates it. It's not an hammer, but it generates something where the Thor is holding something and it looks really good. We can always refine the steps, modify it, add more sampling steps or use a different sampling method. But yeah, now let's see if we can generate photography, that is photorealistic images. Wow, this is really good. Let's generate one more image of a woman sitting at a cafe. Again, the details are really nice. Like the person is in focus, the cup and the background are not in focus. So that's a really good realistic photography like image. Let's see if we can replicate cinematic look. Let's see again, update this. Let's see how it will generate a stormtrooper. And here it is focusing more on the gun rather than the stormtrooper, but that is really good and it has a good shallow depth of field. So that's nice. Let's see if we can generate analog film or uh, like old photography, right? So 35mm lens and yeah, generates a really nice image here. So this has that filmic look and yeah, that's nice. Let's see if we can generate a good vaporware cyberpunk kind of image. That is nice. Let's generate one more image here. Nice. Let's see if we can focus on just generating a car. Nice. Again, it was able to generate a Porsche in Tokyo. So it's very much realistic. I mean, very much sticking to the prompt and yeah, generating out decent images. Now let's see if we can generate isometric kind of images. So this will be really helpful in game development, right? You can generate assets using this kind of prompts. Let's generate one more. It has generated a farm style house. it has that game look to it, so that's really nice. Let's see if we can generate some low poly images. Here we are trying to create a tropical island in low poly. Wow, that's good. Again, it just created the image in like 10 seconds, and this looks like a tropical island. That's nice. Let's see if we can create images for claymation. Let's see if we can replicate claymation style. And that is Captain Jack Sparrow with his iconic hat and hairstyle. That's really nice. Let's see if we can generate Harry Potter in claymation. So yeah, we can generate claymation style also. Let's see if we can generate 3D models. It's purple. It's a mecha with missiles. That's really nice. Let's see if we can replicate the origami style. Nice. Let's generate some line art. So line art is different from regular images, so we don't want it to be anime or photorealistic or like filmic. So yeah, this is line art, so there are no colors, just lines. It's nice. Let's see if we can generate some pixel art similar to our isometric images, right? We can use this for generating game assets for the games. Yeah. Let's generate a store in pixel art. Nice. We can also generate textures. This is really helpful for generating game assets. Using textures, we can generate any texture we want. Let's generate one more texture. Nice. Let's generate one more. Let's see if we can generate a texture for stone wall. Nice. So that's all for today. Let me know if there are any other styles that you tried and that came out really good. Please comment them down in the video. Thanks everyone.